What's going on, guys? This is my 2004 Infiniti G35 sedan. I've had this car since last year in May. So today I'm just going to be going over just modifications that I've done to the car. But yeah, let's get into it. The first mod that I did was I got rid of the old headlights that I had. Got some clears. Well, the other ones was clear, but it was yellow, foggy. I did paint the front grille black, but I took that off, as well as I had the the 05 front bumper, but I took that off. Got a regular 03 bumper. Moving on to the wheels, it's a Cosmos Racing. It's 20s. It got a positive, plus 10 offset. I can't find the size on these. I'll put it in the video. I got these carbon fiber side skirts off eBay. I got a tinted stickers plus 20 horsepower. Don't quote me on that. Went to the junkyard, found these GTR taillights. I got rid of the red bumper that was on here and got a different, the regular 03 bumper that was on here. It had like the it's like a grayish look to it at the bottom. I didn't really like that, so I got this off of a 2005, I believe. This don't work. I kept the stock reverse light just because I like the look of it. Yeah. This I need to get fixed. Don't worry about that. Also, I have a full exhaust on the car. I need to get headers though, but yeah, I got test pipes, non-resonated, white pipes, non-resonated, and I believe all of that is a 3-inch. All the way to the test pipe is 3-inch into this behemoth of a muffler. I know not a lot of VQ guys have mufflers on their car, but I definitely needed one just because it sounded a little different. I got this off Amazon for like $160. Just the muffler. Yeah, just the muffler. Let's see. I didn't really do much to the inside as yet. The seats are torn as hell, but I'm getting that fixed pretty soon. I have the white ass mirror. I could see the whole of Florida with it. I installed these blue LED light bulbs just because it looked better. Detector. It's not my kid. But yeah, I got these also over here as well. Just because it makes the car feel a lot more better. Yeah, back seats is messed up as well. This I need to fix, which is pretty simple. Moving on to the back. I got a subs. These are 212s. There's my amp. All the wiring is tucked underneath the carpet. I need to go back and fix those right there. But let me see. Oh, let me go pop the hood real quick. That's where the fun happened. Alright, so moving on to here. Alright, so moving on to here, I polished my plenum, my upper plenum. I got an intake. I need to get a fender liner so that I could run a colder intake. This engine is basically out of a 350. Yeah, it's out of a 350. I did the whole conversion kit and all that bullshit. I got upgraded fuel injectors. I got upgraded spark plugs, coil packs. I need to get a bigger throttle body, also a plenum spacer. I got a Amazon oil catch can. That was pretty inexpensive. Got a bigger battery. Yeah, it's not really much that's done. The biggest thing I had to do was, of course, swap the engine because I blew the motor drifting like a dumbass. Alright, right in here I got a transmission oil cooler. Then, hold on. Underneath here I got a whole skid plate. Yes, I signed it. Top of my knee. Yeah, I got a whole skid plate underneath here. The car is also lowered on max speeding coilovers. It's not the best, but I mean, yes, not the best. I could max these shits out so much, but I can't because I'm running 20s on all corners. But yeah, that's just an overview of my 2003 Infiniti G35 sedan. And I'm gonna give you guys a warm start. Wasn't able to get a cold start, but I'm gonna give you guys a warm start and a couple of revs. So before I end this video, I'd just like to add, no, I'm not tuned, and that rattling noise that you was hearing was my exhaust hitting against the metal plate somewhere up here. I don't know exactly where it is, but if there's enough pressure on the exhaust, then there is no rattling. But yeah, it's rattling against something. It's like a metal plate somewhere up here, so I need to bring that to the exhaust shop so they could make another hanger and, you know, kind of give it just a little bit more tension on it instead of it just hitting everywhere. But yeah, that concludes the video. Just let me know if you enjoy it so I could make more. I wouldn't mind, you know, probably some pulls or something. Just let me know. This is the next day. I did end up cleaning the car. I didn't realize how dirty it was, but cleaned up the wheels pretty nice. I got these wheels curbed. It wasn't me, so please just don't come for me. I got a little brake dust on it. I was driving it earlier. But yeah, the car's all cleaned up. Everything is cleaned except the brake dust. I hate white wheels. Oh my gosh. Side skirt. And everything is pretty good. Also, when I was at it, I just went ahead and I got another amp. I said amp, Jesus Christ. I got another sub. I did some MTX, and I put my amp, instead of on the side, I put it on the back. So I could access it from right here. I need to reroute these wires a little better, or put some protection or rubber behind the this rubber piece so that these wires aren't right here and exposed. But yeah, amp is on the back. I got another sub. This one's actually sound a lot better than the one I had in it previously. But yeah, you know. Oh, before I forget, that's what that did. So temporarily, I'm just gonna get a screw and just screw this in, just for right now, until I get another one of these, or just replace the whole trunk. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the rest of this video.